Hi guys, this is Mark of Tech Pinas and this is the all-new DJI Neo 2. So let's try flying it. Madali lang to guys, kayang-kaya ninyo. Okay? So to turn it on, as you can see, there's a button on top. So just short press and then long press natin. And there you go. Yan, nag-turn on na siya, gumalaw na yung kanyang mga LEC sa loob. Okay? And one of the biggest difference between the first Neo, the DJI Neo that I reviewed with my nephews, diba? Do you remember that? Is that the Neo 2 already has a screen here. So yan, it will tell you the mode that you're flying. So ang mode natin ngayon is follow mode. Okay, so guys, aside from the display, na wala ito sa first Neo, meron din siyang sensor here. And on the side, you have these buttons to change the modes. Meron tayong different modes di ba? If you remember, sa ating Neo drone. And one of the modes is follow. So, meron din dyan yung tinatawag natin boomerang and also the circle mode, di ba? And to fly the drone, we just need to click on the orange button here. Yung orange button, madali lang siya. So, to fly, pakita ko sa inyo itong camera ihaharap nyo lang sa inyo guys. Harap nyo yung camera sa inyo kasi the camera will be used to track you. And then, after nyo iharap, i-press nyo na yung ating orange button. Okay? Let's try flying it.
Follow. 3, 2, 1.
Yan guys, so as you can see, it's flying. And you use your palm to direct it where you want it to go. Ayan. Go up. And para lumayo, you just open your palm. Lalayo siya. And para lumapit, you just close your palm. Again, para lumayo, you open your palms. And para lumapit, you close. You put your palms together. Ayan. And then again, track your palm. Here. And para bumalik siya or mag-land, you just put your palm like this, open your palm, and it will return. Okay? So, di ba? Napakadali lang guys, kayang-kaya ninyo to. And you will have your own DJI Neo 2, a personal drone that you can use to capture content. Di ba?